Even if you hate love, even if you're not in love, even if you're single, you know you like Valentine's Day, why you fretting? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I'm going to be creating this look. It was super simple and super easy, honestly. You'll see through the video, it's literally just like one shade, pop a like liner and, you know, lashes, and yeah, you look like you just took an hour to get ready, and it only took me about a good 10 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it is fun and easy. I also will be giving away some like date ideas, I guess, is what I called it. But yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys over there. Alright, so as you can tell, one eye is already done. I did that one off camera. Literally I can't talk. This eye look is gonna be super simple, super easy, straight to the point. Like, you don't have to know how to blend, you don't have to know how to freaking, I don't know, you have to own like these fancy palettes. Literally all you need is a pink, one pink, this is one pink, a white dot, black eyeliner, not even a wing, just liner, and some falsies, okay? And then we're gonna add a little something underneath, but y'all, it's easy, I promise. So anyways, I am going to be going in with my, if I don't break everything, my James Charles palette. This is my first time actually using this palette, and this thing is freaking humongous. Like y'all, like this thing is like 3 times bigger than my head, and I got a big head, okay? But anyways, yes, so I'm just going to be grabbing the pink shade, which is called Skip. Cute or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna be taking the pink shade right here, and this is literally the only color I'm using, I'm not lying, y'all. So, dang, this palette is so good. I feel like I'm actually like an artist with this thing. Create your inner artist, that's what that means. Unleash your inner artist, sorry. But anyways, I'm just gonna be dipping into that with this Morphe brush. And yeah, I'm just going to be grabbing some on my brush like that, dabbing it off. And then what I'm gonna do is really, instead of going straight to blending it, I'm just gonna kind of pack it on, and then we're gonna blend it out. So yeah. Y'all, I literally am so excited to be doing this Valentine's Day look. Like, y'all saw my Valentine's Day look from last year. I was so excited to film that, and it's crazy that it's been literally a whole year, and like, yeah, that's just crazy. But I'm gonna get this one up, and then hopefully I can get at least one more up. I know I said that in my last Valentine's Day video. I was like, I'm gonna try to do a series. I watched it today, and I was like actually dying, because I was like, wow, I'm funny. I did not do a series. In fact, I stopped right after that, which is crazy. But yeah, I'm going to try to at least get one more look up, because like, this is just an excuse to like put pink eyeshadow on. Like, who doesn't like pink eyeshadow? Who doesn't like Valentine's Day? You know, right? Like, even if you hate love, even if you're not in love, even if you're single, you know you like Valentine's Day, why you fretting? So anyways, just gonna continue to pack this on. Once you feel like you've kind of gotten enough pink on, you can start blending. I'm just gonna do like some windshield wiper motions of some sort. I'm gonna kind of drag it out, not too much of a like a wing look, but like kind of sort of, you know. This is like definitely one of those looks where like you can get away with not blending. Like, sorry, not sorry, I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not a freaking MUA, you know. So I'm just being real with y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the tea. You can get away with this look without blending, you know, because it's like people are just gonna be focused on the pink, not like, oh, it's not blended to the gods. Like, but what are y'all doing for Valentine's Day? I actually, believe it or not, have myself a nice date. Yeah, right? Shocker, I know. But yeah, if anybody cares or anybody's watching and anybody loves me, go ahead and just comment down what you're doing. Oh my god, I keep hitting my camera. Comment down what you're doing on Valentine's Day. I'd love to know. Love to read that in the comments. Actually, in this video, as you can tell by the title, I wanted to include some Valentine's Day ideas too, like date ideas. Just because I feel like, yeah, I'm very great at planning stuff. So, to kick it off, idea number 1, I think I'm gonna do a total of 5. Let's see if my brain can work. It's like freaking 11 p.m. at night. And yes, I finally got a ring light. I know, I'm so excited. So yeah, it's 11 p.m. at night and I'm filming. We love, hold on, it's gonna come to me. A serious sister. Yeah. But yeah, literally there's nothing more to this look but getting down this pink and just kind of blend in. But yeah, idea number 1, my perfect idea of like a Valentine's date, I guess is, I'd say like not a really fancy dinner, but like just a good time, you know? Like, yeah, you know what, a fancy dinner. We'll start with that as number 1. At a fancy restaurant, you know, with like some flowers, the vibe's nice, kind of dark and romantic. I think that's great. What else? Let's see. But I feel like that's so cliche. I feel like Valentine's in general is just so cliche, you know? If you live by like a skyline, like I'm in Houston, maybe like going to the skyline at night or even during the day having like a cute picnic, that would be cute, and just, you know, enjoying the day if it's pretty. You know, Houston bipolar with its weather, so you don't really ever know. But that would definitely be a cute idea. And just getting to spend some, you know, quality time with each other. Like, yeah, Valentine's Day is like Valentine's Day, but at the same time it's about you and your boo, you know? So yeah, now honestly, we're done with that. Like, I told y'all. And don't judge me. I'm not a beauty guru. As much as I want to be and I try to be, I'm not, okay, y'all? So you just gonna have to deal with the little pink I just slapped on. I'm not gonna do a wing or anything just because, yeah, we want this look to stay a little simple. So of course I'm going in with Lily Lashes, Miami. Y'all already know I'm obsessed with these. I can't stop wearing them. We're gonna go ahead and do our little white dot. Pull this out. I'm just using the NYX white liner. And you're just gonna literally dot it, y'all. This might be kind of hard trying to get it to a line. I can't remember where I really did that one. I did it kind of like right there. Oh, I think that one was bigger. Oops. Here, we'll kind of make this one bigger. Ooh, I just made that one like perfect. Okay, I think they look not perfect, but you know, like decent. Okay, so that's literally all. White dot. Anybody could do that. Okay, wait, more ideas. So you could definitely go to the movies. I feel like depending on your relationship with the person, like if this is just like some random Tinder dude that, like, you know, you want to spend Valentine's Day with somebody, don't go to the movies, sis, because y'all aren't gonna get to talk, you know, and it's gonna be boring. But like if this is the love of your life and y'all go to dinner like every day and y'all like hang out like every day, go to the movies, see a cute little movie, you know? I feel like Valentine's Day is just a day about feeling loved by your loved one, significant other, partner, all that good stuff, you know, versus like doing all the bougie fancy stuff. I mean, that's great too, we all love that, but you know, if you don't want to go all out. So that's an option. I swear I thought I had a lot more ideas in my head, but I guess I didn't. What is that? That's already 3, so I'm doing good. I feel like I can pull out 2 more. Hold on. Look at me putting lifestyle and beauty into one video. We love that for her. The eyes are already done. And y'all have honestly already seen me do my face routine, so this is probably going to be sped through unless I start talking about more ideas that I suck at clearly, that I thought I was good at clearly, but probably not. What's new? I'm just taking my Hangover Too Faced primer. Y'all already know what's up. Taking that Estee Lauder Double Wear. Sorry, don't mind my double chin. Y'all, that's the only way to get the foundation to match the neck. But anyways, even just like ordering takeout for the night, because restaurants are gonna be crazy on Valentine's Day, like that's honestly such a cute idea too. Just like kind of staying in your own comfort zone if you have your own place, you know, just being booed up, having takeout, watching your favorite movies, you know. I feel like that tops anything, honestly, if I'm being honest. You know, if you don't want to go out and deal with the craziness, I think that's a great idea. I'm gonna be taking that Fenty It's Valentine's Day, so you know you gotta be cut to the, I almost said cut to the crease. Not cut to the crease, you know what I meant. Your contour has to be on point. You know, you want your face to be not real dramatic, but like, you know, like you want to be able to tell your facial features. Alright, you just gonna cut that a little bit. Like that. Oh shit. I look crazy. Okay, it's Valentine's Day. Yes, you gotta get some blush, sis. So I'm just taking my Morphe palette, the Papa Fuchsia. We just gonna dip into all these colors real quick. You gotta be popping. Let's see. Highlight gotta be on point, y'all. So now we are going to add some lips. This is not gonna be as bright as I want it to be, just because I couldn't find my brighter one. So feel free to put on whatever lip color you want, nude, pink, red, I don't care. Just throw some on. I'm just gonna add some more. I'm gonna add some more pink at the bottom and kind of like connect it, I guess. And I'm actually going to take Kylie's Chill Baby palette, her little holiday one or whatever, and I'm gonna take Jingle Baby, this like pink right here, and I'm just gonna pop that on the inner corners and pray that it doesn't, yeah, make me look too freaking, you know. Oh, that's cute. Perfect. That was perfect. See, I was nervous it wasn't gonna show up as like a pinky, you know. I thought it was gonna be like a little like too white frosty. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yes, Kai. I'm just gonna be taking some bottom mascara and finishing off this look. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys really like it. Honestly, it was super simple. As you see, I literally only used like the James Charles palette, one shade. You don't even have to use that palette if you have the freaking Take Me to Brazil palette. If you have even this little Morphe palette, this one has a bright pink in it. Like literally make whatever work that you have work, but this look was super easy, super simple. I just did one pink shade, and then I did the little white dots, and then the inner corner pop of like a pink, you know. You could do a pop of silver, whatever you have. Like this was so easy. I swear you don't need to be a beauty guru to master this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you got some decent last minute Valentine's Day plans for me. Hope I put y'all on. But yeah, I am so happy that I got to film this, and if you want to see another Valentine's Day look before Valentine's hits us, which is like next week, go ahead and let your girl know down in the comments, and I will get on that for y'all. Probably I'll still get on it anyways, because you know no one ever talks to me in the comments, but whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.